Well, this is the first, I believe, that we've been on the beach driving on a rainy day. It's really beautiful. I love the rain. The tide is low today, too, as a matter of fact. Beautiful. Beautiful day. I wish my kids were here today. I wonder if we're going to be able to do a campfire tonight. Do you think it's going to rain tonight? Oh well, if it does, it does. They've got their jet skis. They're ready to roll. Wetsuits and jet skis. Any time of the year, any time of the day, any type of weather is okay with me, especially here on Pismo Beach. Where else in the world can you drive on the beach, make a campfire, ATV, horseback ride, you name it. Have a beautiful day. Ciao.